You can also acquire an image through a webcam that is connected to your computer. Select File, New, and work your way through the wizard selecting Get Image from Webcam, then click on Next. A preview of the image will appear in the Preview dialog box. If you have several webcams available, you can click on the drop-down arrow to choose the webcam that you will be using. You can also change the resolution of the image, and the higher the resolution, the more detail you will get in the image. You can click on Properties, and the properties that you can select will be dependent on the type of webcam you have. Generally, you can change the brightness, contrast, and saturation and sharpness of the image. Once you get those settings, click OK, and then select Capture. If you wish to crop an image, you can drag a bounding box around the design, and the image will only be captured in this area. Click on Save. Navigate to the location to save the design, name the design, and click on Save. You will be returned to the wizard, and you can select one of the three options that you can choose when processing a bitmap. For this, I'll choose Open as Photo Paint, and I can continue to work through the wizard and click on Finish. This design is then ready to send to the machine.